This is Gumes ADB in Seoul region, which is a home to more than 4,000 people or 750 families. These people is affected by the drought, who have lost more than 90% of their livestock, which was their only main source of livelihood. These people have no access to clean water, proper sanitation, and food. Oxfam is currently doing integrated wash and harvesting activities in Gumes ADB. We carry out day-to-day hygiene promotion activities, such as distribution of hygiene kits, distribution of IEC materials, which is information, education, and communication materials about the transmission, prevention, control, and treatment of diarrheal diseases like We have trained community health volunteers about hygiene promotion so that they will carry out house-to-house visits and disseminate hygiene messages. Making impacts to the communities affected by the drought is what makes long days in the field worth spending. When I meet an elder man and a mother and they tell us about the changes about their lives since Oxfam started intervention, it makes my heart full of joy, and I am happy that I am a part of a team who are working for the betterment of human conditions. Thank you so much. We will serve people forever. Thank you.
क्या करना है